Hello, this video is going to explain how to sign your syllabus using Kami. So the first thing is, for the rest of the year, really, you want to make sure you're using Google Chrome. If you don't have Google Chrome yet, you want to make sure you go into your other browsers, whether it be Internet Explorer or Firefox or whatever else you have, and install Google Chrome. You can do a quick search for it, install Google Chrome. And then what you want to do is you want to open everything in Chrome. So I can tell I'm in Chrome because it's got like for example, my Google sign-in name here and everything. But yeah, so then you go to our classroom. And so for this case, I'm going to choose chemistry. But I'm having people sign syllabi in all the different classes. So you go into chemistry, and you go to find the assignment. So here is the signed syllabus assignment. And when you go to open it, you'll see the directions. And one of the things is the actual syllabus itself. It's a PDF. It says via Kami. And the other thing is in order to get Kami, if you haven't already. So if you're signed into Google under your district name, which you should be signed into Google under your district account. And that would appear over here. See, I'm signed into my district account when I hover over the letter. I believe that they did push this through so that everybody has this. I know that I already have Kami because it appears up here as an extension. So it's got the white K and the blue circle to show that I have it. But if you don't have it, or if you want to see if you have it, there's directions on how to add it. So what you want to do is you want to go to the directions. And step 1, you click on this link to go find the extension. So you find the extension that way. And then this is how you know as well, because if you go and it says this, remove from Chrome, that means you've already got it. So you're already pretty much set that way. If you don't have it, then this button will be different. It'll say add to Chrome or something like that. Okay, but so once I verify that I've got the Kami extension allowed, which by the way, I know this is kind of an annoying process as the year starts, but you won't have to do this over and over again. Once you've got it, then like it'll be much easier. You just open things with it. Like that's it. This is the only time we have to set this up this way. But alright, so I'm going to go back into Classroom, and I'm going to go ahead and open the syllabus now. And it may already open in Kami for you, but in case it doesn't, this should now come up because you've installed the extension, the Open with Kami option. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make sure it's open in Kami. And you'll know if you're in Kami because it'll look like this. So this is our Kami PDF editor. The syllabus will show up. Here's the details of it for chemistry, for example. And the main thing that you're really using Kami for, as far as submitting this, is you're going to go down to this signature tool. So you're going to click on the signature tool, and then it gives you options. So you can draw your signature, draw a signature on phone, upload image. So then you can draw a signature here. I'm just using my mouse right now, or if you have a touch screen, that might be even easier. Just touch your finger to the screen. So you have options, but this is just an efficient way to sign this document essentially. Or if you have a previously made signature, you could just insert it. So once you make your signature for maybe one syllabus or one class, you could just use that signature for the rest of the classes. And then you just want to make sure that your parents also sign. So then you would just press the signature button again, and then go to input their signature on this line instead. So let's say I wanted to sign it, for example. So I'm going to just draw a new signature. Maybe I'll just do like a squiggly. Then I'll go to upload. And now that's an option. So I can go ahead and click on that one. I can go to insert. And now I can drop that signature wherever I want. So if I'm the student, I would drop my signature right here. And then as a parent, I would just go to do it again, the same process, and instead I would drop my signature right here. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this because I don't want that there. But so essentially that's the process on how you do it. Now here's an important point, which is kind of strange. Technically the directions say to submit with Kami. So then once you complete a document, there's a place to submit using Kami. It's better for us on the teacher end if you actually don't do it that way. It's better for us if you actually put the signatures in, then go to the save button, so save, And then after that, so I would just do like save now. And then after that, actually go back into Classroom. Go back into, so I'm going to just hit back and go back into the assignment, and then press submit from there. There should be a submit button from here. That's important because if you submit with Kami, it doesn't at a glance tell us that the whole class submitted. We'd have to log into Kami to see who submitted. So that's how you do it. And again, it seems kind of a pain. I'm sure there's a lot of technology you're getting used to as the school year starts. But it's one of those things that once you've got it, you've got it. Once you've installed Kami or once you have it set up, you won't have to do it again. And then you can just literally just open each document with it for your different classes and things. All right, well, good luck, and feel free to email your teacher if you get stuck at all.